Next, let's scroll up to the customer reviews section. This can be a great section to include on your website because it builds trust within your website visitors. I would take some of the real reviews from other places where you sell your products and then just paste them in here. And to customize your customer reviews, go ahead and click into the widget here. And then on the left-hand side, you can edit the testimonial. Right here, you can see the text within it, and you can also change out the image below it. And then below that, you can change out the customer's name. So you have full control over exactly how this customer review looks on your homepage. I'll start by copying and pasting in my custom review here. Then you're going to see that change reflect here on the right. And then for the name, I'll change this to say something like John. And in my case, I don't think I actually want to include an image below the testimonial. So I'm just going to remove the image here. To do that, let's go back over to the left and find the trash can icon. I'm going to click on this. That's going to remove that customer photo. Now I'll go ahead and change out the customer reviews on the left and right as well. Awesome. Now we have our own personalized customer reviews here on our homepage.